returns the URI for the app of where that push is going to have, that information is going to come from. Send the URI to the service, your server itself. Sits there and waits. You get an event. Push services, you push it to the URI for the push service, goes to the client. Your client picks it up from the application itself. So you get the toast, the tile, the whatever. It goes to the right place that you've reserved it for. So if you've done pieces like this on other mobile platforms, this should be pretty familiar with you for you. But it goes in and it's, you know, you just set it up and say, let me know, and you get those events coming into your application. So the marketplace, this is where a lot of you are probably very interested in seeing. We basically have our marketplace set up worldwide at this point. We've got markets worldwide, but it's not everywhere. But basically you go in, you register for your application. You develop and debug it here locally. You can either do a local debug on hardware, or you can work on the emulator itself. Once you're ready, once you've got that app to where you want it to be, once you've got it to conforming to the guidelines, all of those kind of pieces, you submit and validate it, which means you upload your app into the marketplace itself through our website. I've got the URL for you in just a second. And it goes through that validation process. They go through and make sure that you're not sending $69.95 texts to someplace overseas or local that the user doesn't know about, that you're not grabbing all the information that you can and passing it over to somebody that they don't want. All those kind of things. They're making sure that what you say it does is what the application does itself. Once that gets up and you get that certification and signature, it goes up to the Windows Phone Application Deployment Service. That packages it up and puts it in the marketplace. That marketplace is available on the desktop with the Zoom client. It's available on Bing Search. It's available on the phone itself. So once it's in that marketplace,